Hello there, food and fitness enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a tasty journey to discover 21 affordable, protein-packed foods. These culinary champions are not just scrumptious, but they're also perfect for building those muscles, shedding unnecessary fat, and boosting your metabolism. So whether you're a gym junkie, a health-conscious foodie, or just curious about nutrition, this video is your ticket to a healthier, fitter you. So tie up your apron, flex those muscles, and let's get cooking. Without further ado, let's dive into the first food on our list. First up on our list is the humble lentil. Don't underestimate this tiny legume. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber, making them a muscle-building superstar. They aid in muscle repair after those grueling workouts, and their high fiber content keeps you feeling full, aiding in fat loss. But that's not all. Lentils are also a champ in supporting a healthy metabolism. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bag of lentils. Next up we have eggs, a breakfast staple for many. Eggs are like a complete protein package, offering all the essential amino acids your body needs. They're a muscle builder's dream, helping to repair and grow those biceps. But that's not all, folks. The high protein and fat content in eggs can support fat loss and keep your metabolism in top gear. So, if you're looking to build muscle, shed fat, and give your metabolism a boost, don't skip on eggs. Eggs, a powerhouse of protein and a wallet-friendly choice. Are you enjoying the protein-packed food journey so far? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Now let's dive into the ocean for our next high-protein food, canned tuna. A can of tuna is a lean protein powerhouse, ready to fuel your muscles. Plus, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids to help reduce inflammation and improve metabolic function. It's an easy, affordable way to get your protein fix. Tuna, a lean, mean protein machine. Moving on to a childhood favorite, peanut butter. This creamy delight is not just delicious but also packed with protein and healthy fats. These nutrients are a boon for muscle repair and helping you feel satiated. But wait, there's more. Peanut butter also contains monounsaturated fats. Known as the good fats, these play a key role in fat loss and maintaining a healthy metabolism. So, next time you're spooning out some peanut butter, remember, it's not just for sandwiches anymore. Next, we have a versatile legume, dried chickpeas. These humble spheres are powerhouses of protein and fiber, a dynamic duo that promotes muscle building and keeps you feeling full. But that's not all. Chickpeas have a low glycemic index, which makes them a great choice for weight management. They release energy slowly, keeping blood sugar levels stable, which is essential for metabolic stability. So, next time you're looking for a crunchy snack, grab a handful of dried chickpeas, a crunchy protein-packed snack. Coming up next is a plant-based protein powerhouse, tofu. This soy-based delight is low in calories but high in protein, making it an ideal choice for muscle growth and repair. But that's not all. Tofu is also a metabolic marvel. Its nutrient-rich profile provides essential elements for our metabolism, helping us to shed fat more efficiently. So, whether you're stir-frying, grilling, or baking, tofu absorbs all the flavors while packing a protein punch. Tofu, a blank canvas for flavors packed with protein. Let's move on to a popular snack, edamame. A delightful bite-sized treat, edamame is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with protein, these green soybeans are a muscle-building ally. Their high fiber content promotes satiety, helping to curb those sneaky snack cravings. And the bonus? With their low-calorie count, edamame supports fat loss while nourishing your body with essential nutrients for metabolic regulation. So, next time you're looking for a wholesome snack, remember edamame, a fun-to-eat, protein-rich snack. Next on our list is another versatile legume, black beans. These humble beans are a powerhouse of protein and fiber, supporting muscle growth and promoting that satisfying feeling of fullness. But the benefits don't stop there. Black beans are rich in complex carbohydrates, helping to regulate your blood sugar levels. This can assist in fat loss, making black beans a fantastic choice for those looking to shed some pounds. Black beans, a protein-packed addition to any meal. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to click on the like button. Your support means a lot to us. Now let's dive into the world of sardines. These little fish are swimming with protein and omega-3 fatty acids. This combination not only supports muscle repair but also reduces inflammation. Plus, the metabolic health benefits of sardines can help in your fat loss journey. So, next time you're at the store, give these small but mighty creatures a second glance. Sardines, small but mighty in protein. Coming up next is a creamy delight, natural Greek yogurt. Now this isn't just a tasty snack. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, making it an excellent aid for muscle growth. But that's not all. It's also teeming with probiotics, a boon for your gut health. These friendly bacteria help to keep your digestive system in balance, which can contribute to fat loss and improve metabolism. So think about adding Greek yogurt to your diet. Greek yogurt, a delicious protein-rich treat. Next on our list is a crunchy snack, almonds. These bite-sized wonders are chock full of protein and healthy fats. They're not just a treat for your taste buds, but a boon for your body too. Almonds aid in building muscle, thanks to their protein content. Their healthy fats contribute to shedding unwanted fat and supporting metabolic health. So the next time you're in need of a quick snack, reach out for some almonds. Almonds, a crunchy, protein-packed snack. Moving on to our next protein powerhouse, whey protein powder. This supplement is a favorite among fitness enthusiasts, and for good reason too. Whey protein is rapidly absorbed by the body, promoting muscle protein synthesis. Its high protein content supports muscle growth, fat loss, and overall metabolic function. Incorporating whey protein into a balanced diet can help you reach your fitness goals faster. Remember, while it's a beneficial supplement, it's not a replacement for whole foods. Combine it with a diet rich in the other protein-packed foods we've discussed for best results. So, when you need a quick protein boost, consider adding some whey protein powder to your smoothie or shake. Whey protein powder, a quick and effective way to up your protein intake. Let's not forget another protein-packed player, cottage cheese. This humble dairy product is more than just a tasty snack. It's a slow-digesting protein source that's beneficial for muscle building, fat loss, and regulating your metabolism. The slow-digesting protein in cottage cheese helps in muscle repair and keeps you satiated for longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. It's a great post-workout meal option, or even a satisfying late-night snack that won't sabotage your fitness goals. So, next time you're out grocery shopping, consider adding some cottage cheese to your cart. It's a great way to keep your protein intake in check, and your taste buds happy. Cottage cheese, a deliciously versatile way to get your protein fix. Here's another protein-rich food that deserves your attention. Oats. Yes, you heard it right, the humble oat. These little grains are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein and fiber that promote muscle recovery and keep you feeling full. But that's not all. Oats also contain complex carbohydrates that support your energy levels, aiding in fat loss and boosting your metabolic health. They're a fantastic breakfast option to kickstart your day, providing you with the energy you need to tackle your workouts and your daily tasks. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them in a hearty bowl of oatmeal, mix them into your protein shakes, or even use them in your baking for a healthy, protein-rich twist. So don't overlook oats on your next grocery run. They're a cost-effective, nutritious, and delicious way to meet your daily protein needs. Now let's shift our focus to a hidden gem in the world of high-protein foods, hemp seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. These tiny seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. They are a great source of protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own. Besides protein, hemp seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, supporting muscle repair after intense workouts. Moreover, their high fiber content aids in promoting satiety, keeping those hunger pangs at bay, and aiding in fat loss. They also contribute to maintaining a balanced metabolism. You can sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or even use them as a yogurt topping. So, next time you're shopping for high-protein foods, make sure to add hemp seeds to your list. They're a simple, yet effective way to boost your protein intake and overall nutritional profile. Moving forward, let's talk about another super seed, quinoa. Often mistaken for a grain, quinoa is actually a seed that is loaded with benefits. It is one of the few plant foods that offer a complete protein source, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle growth and repair. Quinoa is not just protein-rich, it's also packed with complex carbohydrates. These carbs are digested slowly, providing you with sustained energy throughout the day and supporting fat loss by keeping you feeling full for longer. On top of that, quinoa is an excellent source of dietary fiber, and it helps maintain a healthy metabolism. Whether you're preparing a hearty breakfast bowl, a nutritious salad, or a comforting dinner, quinoa is a versatile ingredient that can seamlessly fit into any meal. So make sure to incorporate this super seed into your diet for a protein-packed punch and a metabolic boost. Let's not forget about sunflower seeds, the unsung hero in the world of protein-rich foods. These tiny seeds may be small in size, but they are big on nutrition. Sunflower seeds are packed with protein, which is essential for muscle development and recovery. They are also rich in healthy fats, which can keep you feeling satisfied for longer, helping to control your appetite and support weight loss. Moreover, they are high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate your metabolism, contributing to overall health. And that's not all. Sunflower seeds are also a great source of essential minerals like magnesium and selenium, as well as vitamin E, an antioxidant that fights off harmful free radicals in the body. So don't underestimate these little seeds. They can be a mighty addition to your diet. Sprinkle them on your salads, mix them into your yogurt, or simply snack on them raw for a quick protein boost. Time to shift our focus to the world of grains, where amaranth reigns supreme. This ancient grain, often overlooked, is a protein powerhouse. Not only is it rich in protein, but it also contains a good amount of dietary fiber. This combination can work wonders for your body. The protein aids in muscle repair and growth, while the fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, helping to curb those unwanted cravings. The fiber in amaranth also plays a significant role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which is essential in promoting fat loss and enhancing metabolic function. This grain is gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. You can cook it like rice or quinoa, pop it like popcorn, or even bake it into your bread or muffins. So next time you're looking for a nutritious, protein-packed grain, don't forget about amaranth. Let's dive into the ocean for our next protein-rich food. Canned salmon, a convenient and affordable choice, is swimming with benefits. This seafood powerhouse is not only a great source of protein, but it's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known to support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and promote metabolic health. All these benefits work together to aid in fat loss and enhance overall well-being. Plus, canned salmon is just as nutritious as fresh salmon, making it a great option for those on a budget. You can add it to your salads, make a salmon spread for your toast, or even toss it into your pasta dishes. Remember, protein isn't just about meat and beans. Seafood like canned salmon is a fantastic addition to your protein-rich diet. Moving from the depths of the ocean to the land, our next high-protein food is ground turkey. This lean, mean protein machine is an excellent choice for those who want to pack on the muscle without packing on the fat. Ground turkey is not just rich in protein, but it's also low in fat, making it a perfect addition to your muscle-building and fat loss diet. It's also incredibly versatile. From turkey burgers to turkey meatballs and even turkey chili, you can incorporate this protein powerhouse into a variety of tasty dishes. Plus, it's an excellent source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and muscle repair. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some ground turkey for your protein needs. From the land, let's now head to the fitness centers and kitchens, where our next protein source is a favorite. Protein shakes aren't just for gym enthusiasts, they're for anyone looking to infuse their diet with a convenient, high-quality protein source. These shakes can be a great aid in muscle growth, recovery, and even help keep you feeling full longer, which can assist in fat loss and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Whether you're using whey protein, plant-based protein, or other types, you can easily mix them into a shake with your favorite fruits, vegetables, or simply with water or milk. Remember though, while protein shakes are a convenient way to increase your protein intake, they should complement a balanced diet full of whole foods, not replace them. So make sure to whip up a protein shake after your workouts or as a snack during the day to keep those muscles fed and your metabolism revved. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the world of protein-rich foods from lentils to protein shakes. Each plays a crucial role in building those dream muscles, shedding unwanted fat, and keeping your metabolism in top gear. Remember, it's not just about working out, it's also about what you fuel your body with, so keep these 21 cheap, high-protein foods in mind. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay healthy and keep hustling.